there are thousands of people who are actually looking for a way to start making money on Fiverr, but then they don't know the exact things that they need to put in place so that everything will definitely work for them in the perfect way. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. And don't forget to smash on the like button right now for YouTube algorithm to notify this video to everybody or everyone that are looking for a way to make money on Fiverr or start a freelancing career on Fiverr marketplace. So here in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how or tips you need to know about Fiverr as a new seller or as a beginner to Fiverr. What are the things you need to put in place? What are the things you need to put, or to how do you set up your account? How or what you need to put, or how your account should looks like when you are getting to start freelancing on Fiverr. So I'll be showing you some gigs that you need to look up to regardless of your niche. Either you are a writer, you are a graphics designer, or be it any category your skill actually belongs to, there are some things that you need to check before you can start selling on Fiverr. Let's take for instance, you are a website designer and you design either WordPress or Wix website. Depends on the kind of niche you are. Just come here on fiverr.com, then search through the keywords that you think it definitely relates to your service. Let's take for instance, you are into blog posts, blog writing, sorry, blog writing. Okay, so this is blog writing keywords that are input now, and we have some suggested keywords here that actually relate to the blog writing stuff. So then we have an existing seller with total gigs of 30,000. Then these are the package that they are offering, these are the gigs that they are selling on Fiverr marketplace. So what do you need to check on the existing sellers, and what you need to put in mind when you are trying to set up your own account? So these are the gigs that you need to look into. Check their gig image, check their gig title, and also check their gig tags. So these are the things you need to put in place. Check their profile, what they put, then try to use some ideas on what they have on their profile to set up your own as well. So you can copy this, then rewrite it to your own skill. So far you are a writer, so definitely once you get this idea, you'll be able to come up with your own profile that will definitely perfect for what you are offering on the Fiverr marketplace. Then check on their gig package. If this level 2 sellers is offering a 500 word article for $30, so you offering it for $10 is not a bad idea. Then just make sure you have like 50% off. So this should be $30, then this should be like 60 or 70. So it depends on how you your package is or your service is. So then you need to copy all these ones or rewrite everything, then you input it on your own gig, then design an amazing gig image that well describe your service. So you can see this 500 word was included on the basic package, then this 1500 words were included on the premium package. So this is well detailed gig, and you can see what people are actually saying about this seller. So definitely people are interested, and you can see all these reviews that this gig has was all is 5-star, 103 reviews. So you can see this is perfect gig. And she also had some questions so the buyer can read, go through it, then see if they are interested in knowing some things about the service before they send a message to the seller. So this is well detailed, and I have explained in a video on how you can design a gig image and how you can set up an account from scratch. So you can check the right up here or the left to see the video. So watch from A to Z to understand how everything works. So after that, I also explain how you can promote your gig on social media platform for free, and also how you can use Medium platform to promote your gig. As a new beginner or as a new seller on Fiverr, sometimes it might be hard for you to get a new job, but if you've been consistent in what you're doing, so definitely you will be able to land your first sale one day. So, and if you watch one of my video that explain how you can get your first sale within 3 days, definitely that video is still active. Everything discussed in that video was still active. If you watch the video, I'm very sure you are going to like the result, because everything worked perfectly and people are still thanking me after they watch that video. So aside from that, I also advise any new seller that they should only have only 3 gigs on their account. You don't need to have 7 gigs, because Fiverr gave you the opportunity to create 7 gig as a new seller. Then you now use that opportunity to create 7 gig. I don't advise you to do that, because the Fiverr algorithm will not be able to notice any of your gig. If you have 7 gig on your account, it will be very hard for Fiverr algorithm to notify any of your gig, and that will be very hard for your gig to generate clicks or impression. Else you plan to be using buyer requests all the time before you can land a sales. And if a buyer check on your profile and see that you have different kind of service on your profile, so definitely that buyer will think you are not a professional on that particular service that they want to hire you for. So then the buyer will move on to another seller that is kind of like interested or dedicated to the niche or the service that they actually need. So if you are a writer, just stick your service to writing category. If you are a graphics designer, just stick your service to graphics. And if you are into digital marketing or video animation or music, audio, or anything, just make sure all your gigs are based on that niche. That will definitely help your account to boost and rank on Fiverr platform. So then there are some other new seller that you need to check. So if you are a new seller too, so you have to check on some existing seller that already started before you, and you check on their package as well. So you can see all these ones, they are having 3 reviews, 7 reviews, 1 reviews. Then those are the people that are kind of like your competitors. So those are the gigs that you need to check, see what they are doing. Then you replicate that on your own profile and see what comes your way within that time. So then I'm very sure if you follow everything that I mentioned, definitely one day you are going to make your first sale. I hope this video help you in one way or the other, because I used to give in details about Fiverr, freelancing, and how you can make money on the Fiverr platform without any stress. Only thing that you need to do is just follow my procedure the way I explain in this video, and I'm very sure you're going to like the result if you implement everything according to how I explain it in this video. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you have a question regarding the video or anything about Fiverr, can you drop a comment and I will reply to it anytime I see your comment. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.